Blocking spam messages on your Samsung Galaxy S24 helps to reduce unwanted or potentially harmful communications. It enhances your privacy and security by preventing unsolicited messages from reaching you. There are a couple of methods you can take to block them. The first method is by blocking specific spam messages, and to do that, open the Messages app. Find the spam message and tap on it to open it in full view. Tap Block Number in the upper part of the screen just below the number itself. If you can't see the option, simply tap the small arrow beside the number and a menu will show. Now, select Block Number. This will permanently block this specific number from sending you messages. The other method can be done by blocking all unknown numbers. Go back to the previous screen and tap on the More Options icon at the top right corner of the screen. Select Settings and tap Block Numbers and Spam. Tap Caller ID and Spam Protection, and then tap the switch at the top to the on position. Once enabled, you can now tap on the switch next to Block Spam and Scam Calls to turn it on. This will block all unknown numbers from calling or texting you. By combining these procedures, you'll surely improve your privacy and security. We hope this tutorial can help you. Thanks for watching.